get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-Class. That's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
Actually, it's different when I think about it. It does. My partner. Huh? No, you don't. No, you don't. Are you recording me? Okay, so here we are. We're in Hvar. Hvar. Yeah, so we came here from a boat cruise. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Small island town with a nice beach and a fortress.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure what the history is. Yeah, I had like 5 white wines. She had 1 white wine.
Two.
And that's why like
No,
she's kind of shaky. She only had
Oh,
1.
it's 2. I had 2. Shut up. Bad wine. Let's move on.
Eclipse.
I'm not even sweating. I mean, I'm barely wearing anything, but it's so nice around here. I've been here so many times, but mostly to the beach. I've never like explored the town.
Where is that?
Yeah.
I'll get some fresh air. It's too hot out here.
It was actually cold on the boat.
It's actually bacon.
But it's cold on the boat
Well, yeah.
because of the breeze.
But it was a nice kind of cold, like a nice breeze.
I would love to live somewhere like this where it's so peaceful. It's like, what do you do?
And that alcohol will send you to the toilet 1,000 times.
There's a fortress up here as well, like in the other town that we went to.
Do you think we will actually make it to the fortress? And even if we make it to the
We
fortress,
live quite far.
not make it back to the boat in time, to the point where we actually miss our ferry.
We'd have to go quite as close as we can, but I don't think we can make it to the top.
Literally have to ferry it back to Split and miss the rest of the tour.
It seems like quite a long walk to be
Yeah, I feel like the time's going quite quick.
Yeah. Wow.
Can't even wear my hat, like that's how swelly it
You have
is.
to wear like clothes. I think you have to just be quite respectful because it's a small town, it's very traditional.
Yeah.
It's got better beaches here, so.
I mean, like, I'm keeping it mad traditional, like open top. Like, it's just too hot. Like, I really can't. To think, right? I think today's only like 24.
But it feels like it's 28 or
But it feels like it's
30.
28. So God knows if you come here when it's actually 30, you're probably gonna feel like 40.
I think if you do come here when it's 30, it's literally hit the beach every day. You can't really like walk around and do stuff because you don't feel like doing stuff. I think coming here in June is literally the best time because it's like you can walk around, you can explore, you can do other stuff other than just the beach.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know. I feel like that.
I mean, yeah.
And Split isn't all shit in terms of food because we had a good burek on the boat.
The burek was actually decent. Probably the best burek I've had in Split just so far.
It probably depends who makes it.
Yeah, I mean, granted, the burek came in some sort of packaging that they clearly bought it from like a local like shop.
Yeah. What was the name of the boat tour company? We can link it, but I can't remember the
Yeah,
name.
we'll put the link in the
They're quite
description.
good.
We'll put the link in the description.
Free
but,
alcohol all day, free breakfast, free lunch, and it was how much did we pay?
Like 115 each.
115 each, and then it's 3 islands, 2 hours in Hvar, like maybe an hour, what was it, 40 minutes to an hour in Hvar
Yeah.
to go swimming.
It's different because we've already hit our second island now, which means that our tour will soon be coming to an end.
I think at 6:30 we're going to end up back in Split.
Yeah, actually heartbreaking because I wish this tour was for longer. Yeah.
You can do 5 islands, but it just means you can't relax on the boat. But it just feels nice when you're just relaxing.
I would say with the catamaran tour, it is just like if you just want a chill vibe, you just want to have a few drinks, relax on like a boat, and you don't really want to be rushing to get from island to island and rushing back to get to a place for a deadline. This is definitely the vibe.
Yeah. Especially as your last day, you want to like relax and spend time on chilling.
But yeah, 100%. The next time we come back, we'll do the 5 island tour.
Which is on a speedboat, and it takes 90 minutes to get to. Comes to the same town, but it also goes to like was it Blue Cave?
Yeah.
Blue Cave and like 3 other islands, but it's not as relaxing.
So what's the next island we'll be visiting after this?
Oh, what was it called? It begins with an S.
No. This is your town, so.
No, it wasn't. That's not my town.
So you're letting me down right now.
If we do go to the other island, I will link it. It begins with an S. It's like in between basically Hvar and Split. And depending on the weather, it goes there if it's like nice weather like today. If it's not nice weather, it doesn't go there maybe because it's quite dangerous.
So I think the next move now should be that we go down to the beach, which is right next to the catamaran, so we can get there for a good time.
Yeah.
And also hopefully find some ice cream along the way.
Yeah. Hvar is one of the nicer beaches in Croatia, so if you are looking for a beach holiday, it's probably worth coming here, even for a few days.
Cool. So what do you reckon? Should we go and find the beach?
Yeah.
Have some ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah.